Hello everyone, welcome back to GCloudUp. This is episode 4 of our Salesforce Pressure Roadmap series. In the previous episode, we learned about Salesforce editions. Today we are going to understand one of the most important interview topics, that is Salesforce Architecture. So, have you ever wondered how millions of companies use Salesforce simultaneously without installing it on their own servers? How does Salesforce keep every company's data secure while running on the same platform? The answer is Salesforce Architecture. In today's video, we will understand Salesforce Architecture in the simple way with a real-world example. Let's get started. What is Salesforce Architecture? Salesforce Architecture is the way Salesforce is designed to provide a secure, scalable, and reliable cloud platform for millions of users worldwide. Unlike traditional software, Salesforce is hosted entirely on the cloud. You simply open your browser, log in, and start working. No installation, no server maintenance, everything is managed by Salesforce. Multi-Tenant Architecture. One of the biggest features of Salesforce is multi-tenant architecture. But what does multi-tenant means? Imagine an apartment or building. Many families live in same building. They share common resources like security, elevator, and parking. However, each family has its own private apartment. Similarly, in Salesforce, thousands of companies use the same Salesforce infrastructure. Every company has its own org. One company's data is commonly isolated from another company's data. This makes Salesforce highly scalable, secure, and cost-effective. Key components of Salesforce architecture. Let's understand the main building block of Salesforce architecture and Salesforce. So first is organization. An organization is your company Salesforce organization environment. It stores users, data, objects, security setting, and customization. Objects. Objects are like database tables. Example, account, contact, opportunity. You can also create your own custom objects. Records. Records are the individual entries stored inside an object. For example, account object. TCS, Infosys, Wipro. Each company is a separate record. Fourth is metadata. Metadata means the configuration of your Salesforce organization. Example includes custom objects, fields, page layout, validation rule, flow, Apex classes, Lightning Web Components. The good thing is that metadata can be deployed from one environment to another environment. And fifth one is database. Salesforce store all customer information in highly secure cloud database. Users never have to manage the database themselves. Let's take real-time example. Imagine three companies, Amazon, Infosys, and Toyota. All three uses Salesforce. They share the same cloud platform. But Amazon cannot see Infosys data. Infosys cannot access to Toyota data. Every company has its own user, objects, and security. This is possible because of Salesforce multi-tenant architecture. So let's summarize what we learned today. Today we learn what is Salesforce architecture, what is multi-tenant architecture, organization, objects, record, metadata, and database. These concepts are very important for Salesforce interview and understanding how the platform works. Please subscribe to the GCloudUp and thanks for watching the video.